Thank you everybody for your last comments on our previous video. Thank you for the comments. You can see there your answer. Thank you very much for your support. And today's video, we don't have a lot of good stuff that I found on this other box. There's a lot of junk and some McDonald's stuff. But anyway, I found this interesting. I found it in the other box, but I didn't show it to you. Let me know in the comments what set this belongs to or what's this color, but it's quite of clever idea for the edge. This one is Tomy. I don't know, I think there was some, this is road actually. Yeah, it is a road right there for small. I don't have any vehicles for the Thomas, but this one right here kind of fits. Oh, very tight. No, that doesn't fit, but you got the idea. That's for a road, and there is the track. The next, so we found this Sodor Waterworks car with the faucet, or what do you call this? I don't know what you call this. Faucet, I think. If you move it, something pops up in the center of the cart. The image is already gone. I mean the graphics tanker car. Anyways, so I found these are for take and play, I think. Fireworks. It's not working. Battery is dead or corroded. I don't know. I need to find it. Find out. Another cargo for little Thomas, metal Thomas. Another. This one also I think is for take and play, or is it for? I think my feet also. Nelson. Anyways, I found this Ryan. These all, of course, are dusty. I just dump it in the boxes since I used to get only the Trackmaster ones, the most important things, because nobody cared about the other brands. I mean, my line of work, it used to be Trackmaster one. But anyways, here is Ryan. Take and play or take along. I don't know, but this one is it for wooden? It looks like the wheels look for wooden railway, but it comes with magnet, and it's there is a lot of fish in there, and it's magnetic. I found those over there. I have bought 2 boxes. I have no idea which are these were, but I found them very cheap, and I sold a lot, and not related to Thomas, but back in the days when I used to start selling on eBay. I get those. A lot of people were interested in those. Anyways, Minis Thomas, and I found this little. What's this? Percy. They should have a name underneath. It doesn't say anything. Just say Percy, but it's some sort of Halloween theme. And I found Millie. I know for sure in some of those boxes I'm opening, I have a lot of these minis. These I guess are generic ones, so I don't think these are brands. Yeah, I found a lot of stuff, junk stuff in here. These ones are for Chuggington, I guess Geotrack. Those Emily's, I used to get them for the parts or to customize. Some models, I already forgot the name of those models. I found Harvey. This one is good to customize since the color is really faded. I think we can customize this Harvey. Yes, we can change the color. This one is quite interesting for me. It's some sort of old train, but I have no clue what was the top of it. Found another Bullstrode. Remember the other one was with wheels on it. This does not have wheels. You may think all this is junk, but no, there's a lot of these things that people is looking for parts, and it's not junk. Like there is a saying that garbage for ones is the treasure for other ones. This is a part of the Thomas at the Timber Yard, I think. Yes. So I'm finding a lot of parts. This is some Plarail, I think, Japanese trains. Let me know in the comments if you know what it is. And again, thank you for everybody for the last or previous video in the comments. I learned a lot. I forgot the little crane name. It was Kevin. I was trying to figure out the Kevin's cars I found. And there are some weird models. Yeah, I bought a box with like a 50 trains of these. I'm talking about the set. About 10 or 9 years ago, and I just have some leftovers here. Found some trees. Steam Alone Thomas. I think this one, I think if I'm not mistaken, was a Racing Percy. Yes, Racing Percy, I think. Let me show you. There are some. These are some Pullback or wine. Is it Pullback? Yes, Pullback. Farmers. I think I have a lot of these laying around in some boxes. There is another design. This one is already worn, but it works. That's for the big bridge. What was this? Fling and Cranky to the rescue, something like that. These parts are missing, really. I mean, you can. Some people are looking for these parts, so they are not available right now. But I'm working on it to try to wash them clean. And here is another curious Pullback Percy. That's funny how it moves the smoke. There's another Pullback Thomas here. And I found something. Look, let me show you. This one. This one has a moving eyes. Percy here does not have a moving eye. Yeah, there's not a lot of interesting models today, but I found a lot. It's also moving eyes. This one doesn't move the eyes, but it's a Pullback. And let me ask you, do you know if this is Mega Bloks or is it Lego? I remember people used to put a Lego on the title when they sell it on eBay years ago, but I don't know, are they Lego or they just Mega Bloks? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for your support and comments. So I guess those are Lower Timor station, and I don't know if that one is Backman, a bridge that I found. I found another elephant. And this one is a station. Is it station or just conductor or whatever is this? I was trying to figure out how this operates, but it's not working actually. You can stick it out, but you cannot return it. It might need some oil or something, or some lube. Look, it's not pushing it. It's not going back. You need to help. Conductor shell. Let me say conductor shell. Right there. When they start making this, I think like the Amish, I don't know if you know the Amish people, they made this to last for years. They didn't make this like the plastic ones today's. The wooden models last for years. I found a Harold helipad, and I don't think this is something, but it does have a motor in there. What's it say? It just say made in China. I guess this is a generic toy. And I found a good tracks, flip face tracks, and those are special ones. They need to be cleaned. Here's another two with the button switch. I don't know if I can make it with one hand. Yeah, right there. This special track, some geo tracks with jelly. Double tracks, I found more. Trackmaster 1. Tomy support, that's for the road tracks. Those road tracks. And I want to know, I will appreciate if you let me know, because I have some of these. It's a toy company. Some of these tracks, I don't know, I cannot identify which were these tracks for. I don't think they look like Tomy tracks, but not exactly. This kind of road tracks. And I think these are for take along. Let me see, it does only say 2003 Thomas, learning curve. I don't know. Let me know in the comments for this track. I have no idea what this track is called. I've been washing and sanitizing a lot of this, and I need to find out what that was for. Found a lot of parts here. You might say that is trash, garbage. No, there's a lot of good parts in there. Yeah. Previously I couldn't figure out how to, like I said before, I used to get just the good motors from other engines and swap the parts before I knowledge how to replace the motors, or how to get or restore the battery terminals. But here is a good connector. I'm talking about, I'm sorry, this one right here. Focus. And this one I can restore it. But there's a lot of parts, good parts, that can be used for restoration. All this needs to be cleaned, washed, and fixed. There's not a lot of good parts today, but anyways, I still need to check every single box, and I could find some sort of treasures. Yeah, I remember these microchargers things. I don't know if you knew about these little tiny cars that they were very fast. This was the charger and launcher, and start to spin and charge over there. Very good toys back in the days. All right,